Miss, don't move.
I need to talk to you alone. Did you get the packets?
Yes,
Where are they?
they're safe. Here, in Paris.
They'll be safer in my hands. Give me the case.
저 이거 파우치 가져와. 뭐야? 왜 이래? 뭐야 이 새끼들아? 저년 죽여!